Guys, andito tayo ngayon sa labas, no? After a brutal 10 hours straight na live. Lumabas tayo para magpahangin. First time kong ginawa ang 10 hours na live. Pinakamatagal ko dati is 5 hours, and yung 5 hours nga na yun sobrang, I don't know kung bakit ko ginawa yung 10 hours, but look at this. Ang point ko lang dito kung ba't ako nagsushoot ng video, it's I am very fortunate enough na nandito ako sa environment na, tignan mo naman to, after ng trabaho, lalabas ka na lang and kakaulan lang, green, pine needles, pine trees, tahimik. Naririnig niyo ba yan? Kumpara naman sa paglabas mo, highway, EDSA. Baliktarin ko yung camera. Look at this. Ito yan. It's an overlooking view. Totoo talaga yung sabi nila that if you want to succeed, you need to set it up. Kailangan mong i-set up. And malaking bagay doon ang environment. Kung may nakakanood man dito and you are in a stressful environment, work very hard to get outside of that stressful environment. Tignan mo yung ganito, no? 10 hours akong straight na nag-live. Sa mga taong hindi pa nakakasubok mag-live, nakakapagod mag-live, guys. It's taking something out of you. Imaginein mo may kausap kang 5, 10, 15,000 na tao. And dapat bigay na bigay ka sa live, kasi kung hindi, isa-scroll up ka nila. And isipin mo after mo mag-live and then paglabas mo, EDSA. EDSA yung environment mo kumpara sa ganito. So at least dito, have a great day, everyone. Gets nyo naman yung ibig kong sabihin. Baliktarin ko ulit yung camera.